Hey Vermont, Skills USA! This is Joe Fingerhut coming to you once again from St. Louis, and I cannot believe the State Leadership Conference is only a few days away. We got you signed up for Skills, we got you registered for the conference, and now the experience gets to begin. I'm so excited to kick off the conference with a keynote on the first morning. We're gonna have a message right before the awards show at the very end, and then I'm gonna get to pop in and interact with you all throughout the event. Whenever I'm presenting to student leaders, whether it's in any of the American states or in other countries, I have three goals, and that is to entertain, to inspire, and above all, to empower. So we're gonna be sharing some stories, some lessons, and some fun that's gonna stick with you long after the conference, as well as get you excited for the competitions and the experience you're about to have. I look forward to seeing you. Talk to you soon.